What's up, 1320? It's time to get you caught up to speed on the Unicorn. We've got a lot of stuff to catch you up on. We were hoping to have it race ready for TX2K. The car was there, but we weren't quite race ready. Went through a lot of stuff to get it there just in time. So we'll show you what we've been up to. We're going to the shop. Chad's got a surprise for you there because business is booming there. By the way, we moved all our other vlogs, behind the scenes, trip vlogs, stuff like that to our 1320 Video Uncut channel. You don't want to miss that. Weekly updates, vlogs, whatever. Check the link in the description. Let us know what you like, what you want to see on there. We'll see you guys over there. Time to head to the shop. It is beautiful out today. It's actually the first nice day we've had in like a month and a half, so might as well take advantage to come check out the car. Back to the shop, home of the Unicorn. Hey. Ooh, progress. Dang. That's looking good.
How's it going?
What's up? How you doing?
Good.
Good. Jeez. There were a lot of people talking about this after it appeared in the last video. Jesus, that is a nice intake.
Look at the size of these fuel rails.
Oof. Well, look at the size of the f***ing turbo. Yep, big old goat. This is probably the first day of like the month you guys have had the shop doors open now.
Awesome. And then tomorrow it's supposed to snow.
I know, it's supposed to be like 2-4 inches.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Well, where's the toasted marshmallow hidden at?
It's in the other building.
I've been resisting the new nickname, but all the guys keep saying it.
Awesome.
I said there's a surprise. You said new building.
Yes.
Woo!
So yeah, we rented some space here across the street. That hopefully
Badass.
my end goal is maybe I can end up purchasing the whole building.
Yeah.
And then I'll just be there.
Oh, it's right across the street. So since we last saw you, you've been busy getting the car ready, and you got it done the morning of the first day of TX2K, I think it was.
It was a thrash for sure.
The challenge right before TX2K was we had a little issue with the turbo. Turbonetics / Precision, who are the same company now, warrantied it, overnighted us 2 turbos to get on there, and we got upgraded.
Yes, upgraded.
We got ball bearing turbos now.
Turbos on there now.
They're basically the same size, aren't they?
Yeah.
Nice.
So the new digs, we're in the process
Oh, it's got its own little garage here.
in the process of getting hoist put up and wired.
Badass.
Just got the compressor put in and getting the airlines ran.
That's really nice.
So it's been a freaking huge project. You
Yeah,
know?
I
You
bet.
think you're just gonna rent it and move in and start working, and it's been.
Mm-hmm. So since the last update, everything's in. That is new. All the safety shit.
All the safety stuff's done. Chute, fire system, roll bar.
And the funny part was that I didn't see any of it in there really since the last update. The next time I saw it was at TX2K.
It was done.
Chris drove it down, and before we show you all the new stuff, here's a little footage of me giving Chris a ride as a thank you for driving 14 hours by himself.
Here we go. The Unicorn is alive again. Yeah. So Chad has been busy at the Shop Inc. in Lincoln getting this thing ready for TX2K. That was the goal. And we had some last minute hiccups. And the car barely got done in time. It was finished Wednesday morning, and my friend Chris hauled it down here 15 hours down to get here just in time to show off to all our fans and put a smile on my face. So thank you guys. The new clutch in here is pretty stiff. It's pretty cool to be able to have my car at TX2K, the biggest event that we film, and show it off to the racers I've been filming for sometimes 13, 14 years. Should we do a little quick hit?
You wanna run him? See what you got, homeboy.
The red part of this is in my truck. It like peeled off.
That's all right.
unicorn. Chris hauled her down here, so I'm hoping that we can get past some bugs we were having earlier. Get a nice, maybe second gear pull in on it. Turbos are so much louder. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Yeah! There we go. Yeah. Back.
Feels good.
So we're back.
We're back.
Let's show you the new shit. There's a lot of new stuff in here because when I saw it at TX2K, I was just like, whoa.
Yeah, it was.
It's all in here and it all looks really good. This is the part I resisted and I instantly hated it, but I'm sure I'll make friends with the cage. The cage is really nice though.
It is, yeah. Different
It
changes
is.
getting in and once you're in
Yeah.
and how it feels, but it's nice to
How
make
was
up
the
those
install
stages.
with it?
It was good. You
Looks
know,
like it
Corvettes
fits
are
really
weird
well.
because they don't have a good solid steel frame always that you can get to, you know. It wasn't bad. I mean, I put cages in that have been way worse. So.
Yeah. So RPM roll bars is what we went with here. And it's a bolt-in cage, and it looks really good. It's got these swing arms so you can get in and out easier. Little carbon stickers so it doesn't scratch up the paint. So then we also have. I was a little confused by this button because I haven't seen the newer solid state
Solid state.
battery cutoff.
Yeah. This one actually has two solid state cutoffs. One for the alternator that's up there, and then the one in the back that's the main. And then that allows you to just use a simple low current switch.
Okay, so I see it does both at the
It
same
does both at
time.
the same time,
Either
as well as
switch
the one in the
does
back.
both.
Yep,
That's cool. So if I think there's something wrong, it's kind of like a switch panel, but you just have a basic.
Yeah, hit that, and I mean everything. So there's no power to it.
Nice.
So when I put the cage in my car, I have my parachute release up here.
Oh yeah.
And it's kind of a pain because if you're driving and you need the parachute, you have to move your arm to the back and you don't always hit it. And I found that our friends at Rock Solid Motorsports have this really badass mount for a Corvette that bolts to the seat. And then,
So you have to reach behind you.
yeah, it's right there, you know. So I'm actually going to get one of those for my car as well because I think that's awesome.
Yeah.
You know,
That's
it's all
pretty
right
cool.
there. You're going to hit it if you need it. So you can see the release there for the fire system.
Yeah, so there's a safety pin before you race to pull out, or before you need to use it, I guess. You just pull straight out. Fire bottles back
And then
there.
there's 3 discharge nozzles.
Oh yeah, I saw the one on the dash here.
There's one there. I
one
struggled
right
too
there.
with where to put that.
Yeah.
Tried it in 4 or 5
Exactly.
different spots. And then there's 2 out here. One on each side here, and then one
Nice.
right there.
Where's it? Oh yeah, got it. So that when you pull it, it hits all 3 of them.
Yep.
Perfect. So
She's dusting
battery
around,
cutoff,
sitting around.
fuel system, or fire suppression, and that'll put everything out. And something else that looks completely different under here is
I remote mounted the coils,
beautiful.
and then that allowed to run some pretty nice valve covers.
It's
that-
way cleaner.
Yeah, it makes it look a lot better.
It's dusty right now, but it will be way cleaner.
Get me a look.
And we got our front wheels. These came out really good. They came out a little different than we expected. We're still working with Bellic on just perfecting them, but it's a brand new wheel, and they look really good on the car. Oh yeah, the bottle's got a new friend.
Yeah.
Got 2 bottles. Looks good in there. And then last but not least, we got our Rock Solid Motorsports parachute mount. Stroud parachute, which will be fun to hit for the first time, but I'm not looking forward to packing it the first time. That'll be interesting. I think that covers about everything. Everything's all nice and repaired. Awesome. So last things to fix up is
We're still having some issues with
limp mode.
limp mode. So we're working on that, working with a guy that's going to help get that squared away.
Cool.
Just need to get some data logs of it. And then need to do a little bit on the exhaust. Get
Yeah,
that
just
squared
align with
away.
exhaust on the
yeah,
hood,
it's
just
been bugging me since day
Cosmetic. I know. We got new injectors
on-
in there,
yeah.
so you've tuned most of it.
one. Yeah, and it's on low boost now, so we need to just do some playing around, get into higher boost areas,
Yeah.
and just get some time on it.
Well, is it in shape I could go cruising while it's nice out?
For sure.
All right,
Yeah, fire it up, get some heat in it, and
Hell
we'll
yeah.
go take her for a drive.
do it. It sounds so good.
Yeah, it sounds
Start right up too. All right, well I'm gonna enjoy this sunny weather. Oh my God, listen to the spool. It's like nothing but turbo. Yeah, clutch is actually better. Oh yeah, we had to put new clutch in here because it wasn't really liking slipping that well. So we did the new McLeod RXT Street twin disc, I believe is the clutch. So it's stiffer, but it's actually bearable now. It was really stiff when we first put it in. So, enjoying the weather today. First things first, I'm gonna stop by and see my friend Devin, who works at Tracy's Auto Body here in town. I've owed him a ride since I started this project. He picked up a C5 right before I started the turbo project on this, and he's been wanting to go for a ride in it ever since. So we'll stop by Tracy's and pick him up. There's not much of a rear view in here with the cage in, but you can still kind of see what's going on. The cage is kind of a nice armrest at least, I guess. All right, we gotta let him know that we're here first. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh yeah. GTP in the house. Should probably let him know that we're here, huh? Haven't done this in a while. It's so fucking loud. Holy shit.
That was loud.
Figured I'd get your attention.
Running pretty good then, huh?
What's up?
How you doing?
Good. Yeah.
That's awesome.
I figured it's nice out today. Might as well take it for a spin.
Yeah, I would too.
You got time for go for a ride?
Yes.
Sweet.
Let me shut this
Let's do it.
really quick.
Alright, yeah. Cage life. And the swing arm will come out. Close the door. Hold the bar. Just leave it like that.
You can smell the E85 already.
Alright.
Love this interior. I wish
I know.
mod red interior is so awesome. Just gonna go ahead and enjoy the first little bit of it, and then I'll have to get a snap.
That's right. The tricky part is we're going to see if I can finesse it to not go into limp mode. Shifter setup fucking amazing.
I bet. I want to get an MGW so bad. I couldn't believe how loud that two-step was. Man, that clutch really grabs, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Right now we're on 15 pounds. We'll run it up to 23. Here are the tires. There you go.
God damn.
Alright, two-step time. You can show your cell phone too. Just
Okay.
let me know when you're ready. Yep. It's going to be really freaking loud, so
Okay.
be prepared.
Holy shit!
How was that?
Wow. You weren't lying.
Yeah.
At first, there was like those last couple pops. I was like, oh, there goes my air drum.
It'll kill your eardrums. Oh yeah, you get the full effect of it, huh? So how was the ride?
Oh my God, it was awesome.
I'll give you another one when we're on 20-some pounds.
It's exactly what I expected.
Perfect. Well, I'm gonna go do some cruising. It's good seeing you, man.
Lucky.
Yeah, lucky. All right. So time to go out and enjoy the rest of today's beautiful weather. It feels really good to have this car back, and there's really not a whole lot different, but there's been a lot of changes with all the safety stuff, fixing everything, but it feels good. It feels like I'm back at home. It's just amazing. Obviously there's some differences. The clutch is a lot stiffer.
Left 2 lanes to turn left.
Thanks, Siri. Roll bar, I'm gonna have to get used to. It's kind of a pain in the butt. I love the sound of the turbos. Yeah. Big shout out to Precision. Motherfucker. Big shout out to Precision for helping us out with the turbos right before TX2K. They sound good. I really wanted a nice turbo sound because I'm a racer, and this is perfect. Shout out to Chad for getting all this stuff done. Got it done just in time for TX2K. We're gonna have the car out racing very soon. I'm guessing one of the no preps here locally will probably be when we test it first. And then I have to go take it down the quarter mile, which will be interesting because I've only done 8th mile so far, other than maybe a few street pulls. Speaking of which, yes. Yeah, it feels good to have this car back. So anyway, we're gonna have the car back racing, probably tested at I-29, no prep there, and then we'll definitely be at Pikes Peak Airstrip Attack. My original goal was to have this car done for that last year. I want to see what this thing does on the half mile. It's gonna get scary. Big shout out to all the people that helped me put this car together. Thompson Motorsports with the motor. We have Huron Speed with the amazing twin turbo kit. We've got RPM transmission, just amazing. And then Chad at the shop has done an amazing job putting this car together. A lot of other people helped us out. Dave at Nitrous Outlet. We've got Turbo Smart over in Australia. The list goes on. Just so many people that helped put this car together. So that's it for the Unicorn vlog update. We'll be bringing you plenty more soon. Got to sneak in some racing and fun with this car once it's all finished up, so we can really enjoy it. See you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our Uncut channel. Once again, the links in the description below. We hit 100,000 subscribers by September 1st. I'm going to grow an amazingly ugly beard, and Fred is going to shave his beard, and we're going to donate some money to charity, so make sure to do that. See you guys next time.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching that video. If you have not checked out our merch store recently, there's over 100 items on there with a bunch of new releases. We'll have a link in the description below, so make sure you guys go check that out. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there and check out these couple videos over here. Also, go ahead and check out our new channel, 1320 Video Uncut. We're gonna have a whole bunch of unseen content on that channel right there, so make sure you stay tuned and check that out. We'll see you guys in the next video.